Welcome to the PlayStation Home for Beginners video tutorial. In this episode, I show you how to set up a PlayStation Network user account and how to get through the first steps towards your own customized PS Home character. Don't worry, it is easy to follow the step-by-step instructions even if you're new to PlayStation 3 and its user interface. So here we go. We are in the root directory of the PlayStation 3 menu. Navigate to the PlayStation Network column and select the Sign In button for the PlayStation Network. A welcome screen appears. From the options at the bottom, choose the option for setting up a new user account. Here we have a short summary of the registration process. Anyway, we will see these details later again, so just hit X on your controller. We start with some personal information such as country, language, and date of birth. After you've typed in all the information, just hit X on your controller. Now read the license agreement really carefully. And after a long time you will reach the bottom of the text, and then you have to press the X button again to accept the general terms and conditions. You finally reach the end. In this step, you have to provide your user ID, which should match your valid email address. I use a USB keyword to enter the text as it is more convenient, but you can also use your PlayStation controller for typing the letters. And then confirm your email address. We need a password, which must include letters and numbers. Then retype your password. And you have to check the option for saving the password. And the last step on the screen is to enter a safety question in case you forget your password in the future. And I choose my favorite country, Deutschland. Now choose your online ID. Watch out, this is your ID for PlayStation Home and it will be visible to others. You're not able to change it later on. So it's checking if your ID is available, and we're done. Okay, then hit the X button, and certainly Sony wants some more information about you. So enter your name, your last name, and your gender, and we're nearly there. Just fill in your address details, street, city, state, and your postal code, and then hit the X button on your controller and we're good. So, Sony wants to send you some advertisement, and it's up to you. Now press enter. And now here is the last screen of the registration process. Check if everything is fine. And if you press X, you have successfully submitted all of your personal data to Sony. Congratulations! Here you can change your avatar, which is used in the PlayStation Network. For this presentation we go with the default settings. You can now go to the PlayStation Store, or as in our case, hit circle on your controller and go back to the PlayStation 3 root menu. Choose PlayStation Home, press the X button on your controller, and then it's loading, and press login, and it's loading, and it's loading, and here some more general terms and conditions. Read them carefully, just like the previous ones. And finally, you're at home, baby. This is you. Here you can customize your character who represents you in the PS Home universe. Let's look at the face structure. With the L2 and R2 button of your controller, you can turn your character. Push the right analog stick to change the camera distance. Here you can go into more details of your face. For example, let's change your nose by using the left and right analog sticks on your controller. So here you can change the shape of your body. I think I get a little bit fatter. And the hair. Yeah, let's choose a decent cut. And color. And my character definitely has to have a mustache. So I choose a funny beard. Okay. Face and body is fine, so let's get some clothes. Let's give our character some gloves. And a nice sweater. And a cool trousers. And finally, save your settings. And now you're ready to create a real second life. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you some impressions and possibilities of the PlayStation Home platform. I hope you enjoyed the video tutorial, and I wish you all a good evening and have fun with PlayStation Home.